Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about organizing your fabric for your projects. It is August 25th, 2020, and like it or not, it's about time to start thinking about what you're going to be working on for this holiday season. So when I talk about holiday seasons, I am talking fall. It's a season. I don't know if it's a holiday, but it is a season. Halloween, Thanksgiving, and of course, Christmas. And then you have Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. So, I have gone through all my fabric. I hope I haven't missed any nooks and crannies, and pulled out all of my Christmas, all of my fall, all of my Halloween, all those that I have. And what I want to do is I want to get them organized into groups of fabric so that I have a panel. Mostly what I do for the holidays and that would be panel related, because you know, you've got a Christmas scene and I love my Christmas scenes. So here is a panel that I found yesterday. How cute is that? That cardinal and that Santa are adorable. So what I want to do is I want to take this panel, find the coordinating fabric. Imagine that, I just have it ready because I purchased it yesterday. And then I want to put those things together, and then when I find the pattern that I'm going to use for that project, I will have everything that I need all in one place. Now there could be fabric that matches this that is in a separate pile. So to me, this fabric kind of coordinates with that. And I don't have it right now with any other fabrics. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put that on that pile. So that is my plan. And so I've got this truck fabric and this plaid fabric. They match. So I'm going to put them together. Now I do, in my defense, I have a lot of fabric left over from projects that I did last year. And then I also have fabric that I found on sale at the end of last year to use for projects this year. So here I've got my snowman fabric, and that I know coordinated with a panel that I did last year. And here I've got the red truck fabric with the birds that also coordinated with a panel that I did last year. However, I also have panels from last year. So here is a snowman with the plaid scarf and the birds. And this fabric has, even though it's got the trucks, that has the trucks and the wreaths and the plaid scarf, will coordinate with this panel. And that will be something different from last year. And that, I don't know that that really goes with that. So I need a spot for another stack. This snowman fabric, I haven't found anything for it yet, so I'm going to put it off to the side. Here is another panel, and I'll probably mostly start, like I said, with panels. Ooh, okay, so I know what that's supposed to go with. So here is the truck with the snowman, and that definitely goes with that fabric. So I will actually put those two panels in the same stack because the coordinating fabric that I have goes with both. And then since this has a snowman in it, I've got my snowman fabric here that also coordinates with that set. All right, I've got another panel. Now this is my horse panel. Okay, duplicate snowman. I'm going to put that in the stack with the 2 panels. Even though the snowmen only go, I think they only go with the 1 panel, I'll still have it in that stack. Alright, so this gorgeous horse panel needs a stack of its own. Now I've got the cardinals that would be coordinating and the horse. So what I want to do is I want to find here. So here is a coordinating fabric with the cardinals. So I'm going to want to put my cardinals with my horse. And I'm going to just adjust and go through my fabric and place coordinating fabrics together. So I've started on Christmas. I really should have started on fall because that's, you know, coming up first, but that's okay. So why don't you pull out all of your fabric for your projects that you know are going to be coming up for this year, clear off a table, make your stacks, and get all of your fabric that coordinates together. And then I'll be back tomorrow to show you what I do after that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends, subscribe, and goodbye until next time. It is April and I am in my craft room. I'm not supposed to be doing introductions anymore because it takes away from the video, or that's according to the YouTube people, but it's become habit. I can't help it. La, 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 la.